Upper elementary students begin fifth grade science by exploring what it means to be alive, studying the characteristics of life, the six kingdoms, and taxonomy. These investigations led to a beloved MMS milestone, the Fish Fashion Show, a hallmark of the upper elementary experience. The Fish Fashion Show turns scientific study into creative expression. Each student researches a fish species, examines its anatomy and adaptations, creates their own costume, and delivers a first-person presentation that brings their fish to life. The Fish Fashion Show is a vivid example of Milwaukee Montessori School learning in action, where inquiry meets artistry and knowledge becomes performance.